All right, guys, we're back at it again. Yeah, here we are, the last battery stop. We got 29 minutes to go. Hoping this last 100%er will do the trick. So we're going down this, it says something industrial drive. Well, basically, I'm just hoping it's not a highway or anything. I see all the trucks and the buses coming down here, so I don't know. Maybe it's taking me this way on a bicycle because there's less traffic, or maybe less lights. Well, I hope it's also less bumps. Because here, right now, this road is a little rough. Minutes. Yeah, I guess this is a lot better than fighting lights and stop signs and cars and that. I would like to say, for once, Google, thank you. Thank you. Oh, there's a guy on a unicycle. Oh my God. So that dismisses me as the weirdo of the town. Now there's one guy weirder than I, and he's got a unicycle. Bumps. A lot of bumps, guys. Don't know if this was worth it, but we will slowly get out of this. And this too shall pass. In the ancient words of the Sufi, in the ancient words of the great Sufi, or in the words of the ancient Sufi, hopefully this was worth it, and this too shall pass. Yeah, this is just like, guys, this is just like heavy materials, industrial materials stockyard here, with like metal beams and fencing and stuff. It just looks like it dead ends right there. Okay, so now it's taking me up on Chateau Avenue, up a hill, and yeah, I'm hoping this will be the last hill, guys. 25 more minutes. Oh. Yeah. There you go. There you go, you mates. Guys. Please, no more hills on the way home to Chicago. Oh, they really do you in, guys. They really do. And I will like attest to that. Wholly and solely. Steel plate. Minutes, guys. Come on. Huh. $5:35. Oh. Alright, so here's the famous St. Louis University here, guys, medical center. And I told you about the whole research industry here. It's quite prevalent